This is another distance example, but this question's a little different. This question asks which point is closer to the origin, B or C. All right, so the origin is point 0, 0, this yellow point right here. And they're asking whether B or C is closer to the origin. Now, just looking at it, it sort of looks like B is closer, but I don't know, they look about the same to me. So what you could do is you could use the distance formula, and you could find the distance between point B and point 0, 0, and then you could find the distance between point C and point 0, 0. And whichever distance is shorter, that's the point that's closer to the origin. All right, I don't like to use the distance formula because I don't like to memorize formulas. So I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem. But again, if you use the distance formula, that's totally fine as long as you have it memorized. All right, so to do Pythagorean theorem, you make a triangle between your 2 points. So you go straight down and you go straight over. So this triangle from B to the origin is 2 on this side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. And you're trying to find this, which is going to be C. So you just need to do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. All right, so for point B, we're doing 2 squared plus 6 squared equals C squared. All right, so 2 squared is 4, 6 squared is 36. So 4 plus 36 is 40. And you can just type this into your calculator, 2 squared plus 6 squared equals C squared. All right, but I don't want to know C squared, I want to know C. So I take the square root of 40 in my calculator, and I get that from B to the origin, it's about 6.3 units away. All right, so now let's do the same thing for C. Let's find the distance between C and the origin. All right, so I'm going to, again, make a triangle. I'm going to go straight up and straight over. It does not matter if you make your triangle going this direction, like going up and over, or going over and up. It's going to be the same either way. All right, so on this one, this side is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this side is 1, 2, 3, 4. And that will be the distance between C and the origin. So again, I'm going to do Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to do 4 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. All right, 4 squared plus 4 squared comes out to be 32. And the square root of 32 is 5.65. So I'm going to round that to 5.7. All right, so now the question that we were asked was, which point is closer to the origin? Well, B is 6.3 units from the origin, and C is 5.7 units from the origin. So the one that's closer to the origin is C at 5.7 units. So the answer to the question would be point C is closer to the origin.